Move.
Wait. Move.
This is Trent's first birthday present. See if he can open it.
He can't. I need help. No, don't. Let him do the rest. Here, Trenton. He likes it. I guess he wants the movie. I guess that he wants to watch the movie. Mommy, can we watch the movie?
Just a minute.
And play with the toy?
That's Trenton's toy.
So he gets to play with it first. I'm going to open it. Okay.
Hey, Trenton. Say da 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 da. Come here, Trent.
I found some instructions. Mommy, I found some instructions.
Okay.
I'll open it. Okay, I found some more, Mom. I found this one. Look. I guess it's birthday time.
Trent. Say hi. Say hi.